Hello everyone. I'm going to show you how you can be able to create this glassy transparent text in DaVinci Resolve. Let's get started. As we can see that I've already added a video to my timeline, and now go to the Fusion page. Now select the media and node, then press Shift Space on your keyboard to bring the select tool menu. Here search for text plus, then hit add, and now it will automatically add a new merge node. Now select the text plus node, then go to Inspector tab to modify the different text parameters, and now click on the Shading tab, change the type to gradient, and then increase the mapping angle to around 180, then select the merge node, and then decrease the blend mode to around 0.5, and then select the media and node, then press Shift Space on your keyboard to bring the select tool menu. Here search for Gaussian blur, then hit add. This will automatically add it after the media and then attach the text plus node to the Gaussian blur node. Now select the Gaussian blur node, and then once again press Shift Space on your keyboard to bring the select tool menu. Here search for soft glow, then hit add. This will automatically add it after the Gaussian blur, and then attach the text plus node to the soft glow node, and then under this soft glow, decrease the gain values and increase the glow size to your taste. Now select the text plus node, and then go to the Inspector tab, and then under the Select Element option, from here, click on the number 2 option, which is for red outline, and now enable this checkbox, and then change type to gradient, then decrease the thickness. Here we go. Our very own glassy transparent text title is ready to use. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe. Happy editing!